Amazon moves fast and you want to make sure that you have your finger on the pulse and you stay up to date and aware of any key listing changes for your clients. That's why I highly recommend you use Product Pulse for all your bestsellers, in fact, your entire SKU catalog if possible. You'll find this tool under the monitoring and alerts menu, and what it's doing is it's really tracking those listings for you and letting you know whenever an event happens so that you can take proactive action or fix issues before they start affecting your bottom line. To start a session, simply enter the product ASN at the top. You can set up multiple sessions at once. Just make sure those ASNs are separated either by a space or a comma, and make sure you select the right marketplace. Simply click add and the session will start. You'll see here it will pull through the product as well as some key metrics, but just click on the little eye and you'll see exactly all the different event changes that you'll have the opportunity to track. And there's quite a few here. Some of the more popular ones are the buy box winner, obviously the price, number of sellers, and my personal favorite, the weight and dimensions, because this can impact the bottom line and often sellers don't realize that they've changed for some time. Now you've got the option to toggle on and off any that are important to you. So just simply tick the box or tick all to make sure that you're notified of all those events. And when you tick this box, we will send an email to the address on file letting them know what the change is and what it was. If you want to see, you can hover over the top and we'll even tell you what the old value was. So to check where those notifications are going, simply jump into your notifications settings tab. You'll find this in the top right, just under notifications, and make sure that whatever email address you have here, and you can add others, has this Product Pulse notifications ticked. This will make sure those notification changes are sent to the right person. The other column you'll notice here is that you've got the ability to show it on graphs. And this is very cool because it starts to tell a story. Keep in mind you can use this tool on competitor products as well. So you can know exactly when a competitor changes their price or an image or something about their listing. If you have this ticked on, you'll notice when you jump across to your business dashboard, you have the option of viewing these Product Pulse events. They're indicated by the red box down the bottom. If I hover over them, it's telling me on that particular date what changed. So I can see in this example, I had a price change on my product, a ratings change happened for both myself and a competitor, as well as some reviews were coming through. I can expand on this simply by clicking on it and it's going to give me more information. Or of course, I can jump straight into the Product Pulse tool to really get into the nitty-gritty. But it's really handy because it's going to tell you exactly what is happening on Amazon without you having to go and check every listing every single minute of the day. It really gets to work on your behalf. Of course, if you've got any questions about this tool, just reach out to the ZonGuru team and we'll be happy to help.